Don't throw away the empty toilet freshener case. With this trick, you'll save a lot. Start by taking a bar of soap and grating it into fine shavings using a small hole grater. Choose any color and scent you like. Transfer the soap shavings to a pan and add your favorite floor cleaner. Stir over low heat until the soap melts and blends with the liquid, forming a smooth, sticky mass. Pour the mixture into a glass container lined with parchment paper and smooth the surface. Cover the container and place it in the freezer for a few hours until it hardens. Once set, carefully cut a piece that fits into the empty toilet freshener case. Place the prepared piece inside the case and close it. Put the freshener back in the toilet. Thanks to the floor cleaner, the bathroom will have a pleasant scent, while the soap helps remove dirt. This simple and inexpensive method creates a homemade toilet freshener that refreshes and cleans just as well as store-bought products. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher rinse aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Take a few limes to the bathroom. They have many properties you might not know about. Cut each lime in half. Lime peels offer plenty of useful qualities around the house. Squeeze the juice out of each lime, but you'll only need the peels for this trick. You can use the juice to make lemonade, for example. Then take a blender. Add all the lime peels and a little bit of water. Secure the lid and blend everything thoroughly. Lime peels help remove dirt and have antibacterial properties. Make sure the peels are finely ground. Add about 100 milliliters of water and mix well. Wait for about a minute. The mixture should be slightly liquid. Next, grab a strainer and a container to pour the mixture into. Strain everything carefully, squeezing out as much liquid as possible from the peels. Lime peels contain natural essential oils, which also give surfaces a fresh scent. Pour the mixture over the toilet and let it sit for a moment. Scrub thoroughly with a brush. You'll see how easily stains come off, leaving the toilet bowl spotless and fresh-smelling. Insert a pin into your faucet and it will work wonders. If the water from your faucet flows weakly, this pin trick will come in handy. The aerator or the tap strainer in your faucet gets clogged with deposits and minerals. Limescale builds up, which you can see if you look at the bottom of the faucet. The entire tap strainer is surrounded by limescale, which can vary in color depending on the cleaning products you use for your bathroom fixtures. When this happens, the water flow from the faucet weakens. But a simple trick with a pin can change that. If you have a faucet like this, take a screwdriver and remove the aerator. Each aerator is installed differently, so first, check how yours is mounted. Once you unscrew it, you'll likely see pieces of limescale and various deposits in the sink. These fall out during the removal process. You'll also see quite a bit of limescale and dirt on the aerator itself. First, soak the aerator in vinegar, then clean it using a pin. Simply insert the pin into the small holes in the tap strainer to unclog them and remove the limescale. This will clear the tap strainer of all impurities and dirt. The aerator will now function properly. Screw the aerator back on and turn on the water. You'll notice the difference immediately, all without needing a plumber. Coat the faucet with a candle. You'll have something to celebrate. Don't throw away any more small birthday candles. Use them in the bathroom. Just one candle will come in handy when dealing with a faucet problem. Every faucet sooner or later shows signs of water. Every drop leaves a trace. These white streaks and limescale appear even moments after cleaning the entire sink. They are particularly visible on metal components. The shower fixture quickly loses its shine. Instead of a gleaming shower head, you see one covered in white spots. It's water residue, but you can prevent this. All you need is one candle. It's best if it's light-colored. Rub the faucet with the candle and see what happens. The candle leaves a trail. That's the idea. Next time you clean the faucet, use the candle. Just rub the areas where water marks appear the most with the candle a few times. Then take a cloth and start polishing the faucet. This will spread the wax. What does this achieve? A layer of wax will remain on the faucet, preventing water residue from building up. The water will run off without leaving any traces. Every faucet will stay clean longer. You won't have to clean it as often. You'll save yourself time and nerves. And a clean faucet will be your calling card. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home.